Hey, what's up guys? Dan here and welcome to MonkeyPlays. So guys, in today's video, we're going to unbox a 1 to 5 player game published by Osprey Games and it's called The Lost Expedition. So guys, if you're ready and I'm ready, so tara, game! So guys, let's unbox this game, but before anything else, let's appreciate first the artwork of the box. So, on this area, we can see the name of the game, that is The Lost Expedition. And if we're going to look at the artwork, we're going to see a design of a jungle with some of our explorers here and some animals on the side. We can see some snakes, some parrots, and I think this is a jaguar or a leopard. Basta may spot. And may spider tayo dito and some other things like the skull and the head of a statue. And if you're going to look closely on the artwork itself, you're going to notice na ang ginamit na style is somehow para siyang old or classic style na parang nakikita natin sa mga comics or sa mga old books. On this area also, we can see the name of the designer and the logo of the publisher. On this area, we can see the name of the game and the logo of the publisher. Same with this and this. At the back, we can see a little information and a little preview about the game, the possible designs of the components, the logo of the publisher, the list of the contents inside of this box, and a little information about this game. Like this game is played around 1 to 5 player game. The game span for this is 30 to 50 minutes and you can start playing this in ages 14 years old and up. So, let's open this. There you go. So, hindi siya yung usual na game na binubuksan natin na pag ganon. So, if we're going to open this game, it's like a book type. So, medyo may edge dito sa gilid. So, if we're going to open it like this. So, cool. Para siyang book. So, the first thing that we can see here is the rule book. So, the rule book is so nice na nandun pa rin yung style ng classic niya. In the same time, we have some leaves here. At the back, we have the rules to remember. Here, we have the list of the components, card symbols, adventure cards, and so on. There you go. Set aside na natin to. The next thing we have here is some cardboards. So we have here different colors here. We have the red or the pinkish color here na merong plus. I think this is for the life. This is somehow parang drumstick. Here. And we have here some bullet. We have expedition, leader, and morning. At the back, double-sided yung mga tokens. We have the evening and the logo of a compass. So, unpunch muna natin to. So, we have here, ito, ilalagay ko na lang lahat ng mga pangalan nila dito. So, we have this one. Ito naman yung isa. So, magaganda yung quality ng mga cardboards kasi makakapal siya. So, the next thing we have here is some cards. So, let's start with this card. So, makikita natin, meron tayong mga characters dito. Si Isabel, si Bessie, Candino, Roy, Nies, Teddy, and so on. We have the player aids. And some designs na parang mga maps. So, there you go. So, at the back, we can see numbers. And, ito yung player aid kanina. And, the images of the characters na nasa harapan kanina. Next, we have here some meeples. We have the yellow. Ayan, lalabas muna natin ito. We have the yellow meeple and a green meeple. Green siya. Ayan. Next, we have another set of cards. So, open ulit natin to. There you go. At the back, we can see the design of a compass. So, same lang sila. Yan. And then, yung pinakaharapan ng cards, we can see different kinds of artworks like this one. We have the Abaton Camp, Zengoniano. Hindi ako sure kung tama yung pagkakabasa ko. We have Kalapalos Clearing, The Path Ahead, Jaguar, Tikfag, Footprints, and so on. Napakaganda ng mga artwork na ginamit dito. Sobrang detailed at saka ang sarap niyong tingnan kasi nga napaka-classic nung artwork na ginamit. So, ayan siya. Hanggang sa huli, yun pa rin. And then, lahat sila may mga numbers din. I don't know kung para saan yung mga numbers, but it's so nice kasi ang ganda ng mga details. Uy, monkey! Ang cute ng monkey. And that's it. So, that is Lost Expedition. Yan yung lahat ng laman niya. So, lipitan natin siya. So, great. So guys, that is the Lost Expedition by Osprey Games. So if you like this kind of video, please give us a like and share this video with your friends and family. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts in the FB page, Instagram account, at syempre sa aming YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. So guys, this is the end of this video. See you! And it's a wrap.